Let's see how to draw candy cane. Draw in the shape of a 2 but stop at the top. Don't complete the 2 because in this paper we have to do a diagonal candy cane which will look nicer. And give some marks after you draw the curve. Put some marks so you are drawing equal length of the candy cane. Otherwise somewhere it will come big, somewhere it will come small, too narrow, too wide. So let's keep the equal width. Let's just put some dots. Parents can put some dots and give the kids so they can trace on it. So join these dots and it will make a nice good length. Initially we are doing a thin line. After we finished, we'll do a double line so it will look more brighter. So and then draw 2 straight lines diagonally. Even for the straight lines you can do thinner and thicker lines. You can do the dots and join the other end with a small curve. Now we will draw the lines where we can do the red part of the candy cane. The candy canes are mostly white and red, so let's do it like this. Small lines. Do a curved lines. Don't do a straight lines. Do a curved line so it will look as if it is a something round shape. It will look very nice and very pretty. Give a equal gap in between 2 of the lines so that way it will look similar. And then color in the whichever part you want, you can color in. You can color it white or the narrow ones white or the wide ones red. You can do opposite of what I am doing. Initially I did zigzag. I am going to come back and fill it in. So I didn't like the zigzag on the candy canes. I would like to do a solid fill on the candy. In the bottom I thought there is lot of gaps, so I came back and added the red area. And now we will do the bow. Let's do it with a green marker. I have this metallic one, so I am using this one. So here we are doing a small circle and 2 lines to do the shining part. Then we are doing a triangle but with a rounded corners. It's a triangle with a rounded corners and a petal shape at the bottom. You can see there is a petal shape, and I am doing some lines for the folding. Where we do the folding, there will be lines. Here also you can see I am doing a triangle with a rounded corners and a petal shape at the bottom. Petal or teardrop, water drop shape, but a longer one. It needs to be almost till the end of the bow. See how nicely the bow came. And this side also I am doing just gentle lines. You can see that there are some folds there. So kids can do this very easy and simply. And I am gonna fill the circle area in. Now I am doing double line so that it gives the thickness, and whatever bumps are there we can cover those bumps. Even this one will look good on the cards for Christmas or for kids to draw, especially in this pandemic when they are home. They can enjoy these kind of simple drawings. Please do it with a pencil first and then go with markers. So if you want to erase, you can erase. See how it looks so differently when we did the double line. Now I am going and then filling in the white areas of the red part of the candy cane. My daughter loves to eat this candy cane. She's been asking for it. Hopefully we will get it soon. There you can see, if I do the bow's green color entirely, how will it look in the end of the video. The kids can color the entire thing green. I hope you like it. Please do like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.